In this episode, I'm very excited and pleased to announce my brand new ebook or e-guide, Tactical Stoicism. What is Tactical Stoicism? Well, it is my journey with installing Stoicism as a philosophy to tackle everyday situations. Over the last 7 to 10 years, I've been reading this philosophy pretty much every day or every other day. I've gone through the main books by Epictetus, Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, and a number of other books written by professionals who also enjoy the world of Stoicism. In this guide, it's about 75 pages. I put together 21 quotes that helped me turn a struggle into a success. Now, this just isn't a guide where I talk about a quote and I give you some historical reference. This is all about how I've used Stoicism tactically to get better in my life. Real examples of me struggling with the ideas and concepts and putting them into practice in the battlefield of life and getting success. Stoicism is my favorite philosophy by a long stretch. It really is a practical philosophy that you can use daily. Yes, other philosophical ideas and other philosophers outside of Stoicism are amazing as well, and it's essential to read many different aspects of philosophy. But I really feel like if you want to pick up a book or an idea that's really going to help you in your day-to-day, Stoicism is the place to start. My new Tactical Stoicism guide also comes with a journaling part in the bundle off the link that you'll see below in the sale on a website called Gumroad, which holds the book. I have a 101 journaling, 101 days of journaling with that. I've got it especially as a bundle. You can buy it separately as well on the website, but it is a bundle sale, 101 journaling. And I've got it in there because I really think a major part of Stoicism is the ability to journal each day to get better. And I've put these two bits or pieces of work together, the Tactical Stoicism with some bonuses in there and some exercises with the 101 journaling, for you to take on over the next 90 days or so a Stoic challenge to read the book, study, practice, teach philosophy to yourself and to other people around you by your example, and then journal about the experience, asking yourself 101 very, very important questions about your life. I really do think that if you pick up Tactical Stoicism and the bundle with 101 journaling, you will shift your life forward within the next 90 days or so. I've really changed since implementing a lot of ideas that Stoicism has taught me, and I really want to help other people get the best out of this philosophy. Sometimes when you pick up a book by Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus, it can be quite hard to really gauge what a 2,000-year-old quote really means in 2020 and what it means in this current world that we're living in. And that's what that's hopefully what I've done with this guide. I've been able to show you how an average man has taken this ancient philosophy, used it tactically to get better in life. Anyway, there's a link below this video. Click that link, check it out, see the reviews. People have already read it. People have already got some really good examples out of it. Also, if you want to hit me up on Twitter at my Twitter page, My Success Theory. The page is called Success Theory, but my handle is called My Success Theory. And you can shoot me a DM, we can have a conversation, you can look at my tweets, you can understand that I'm really putting the ideas from Tactical Stoicism out there daily on my Twitter handle and here with the videos on my channel. Thanks very much for watching all the way through to this part of the video. I really do hope you click the link below and check out Tactical Stoicism and 101 Days of Journaling. I do think they will be able to help you quite a lot. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Make it a good one.